I throw a big fit. You could lose your shit. Baby, let it out, let me roll that spliff. I'ma be around, hard time, don't quit. I'ma hold it down, help you stack, deep brick. Get to know one of those. Never switch sides, super down hoes. Give you space, let you grow at your own pace, let you go slow. Give you this heat, I'm on backwood. Give you these fakes, no touch code. No other bitch do it that good. With all the hazards when you fall backwards. Gas you up when you feel like shit. Well, run dry, you need that drip. Gas you up if you need that fix. Need that high, I'ma like that hit. Pat you up every time you slip. Back you up every time you trip. I'ma be there. Be there to gas you up. You could call me bestie. Need a hand, you could text me. Scratch your back, baby, let me. When it gets happy, don't stress me. Hold tight, I'ma be the intercept beat. Even when you test me, upset me. Hitting on my pet peeves just to get me. Trippin', LSD. Still your motherfucking bestie. Get to know one of those. Never switch sides, super down hoes. Give you space, let you grow at your own pace, let you go slow. Give you this heat, I'm on backwood. Give you these fakes, no touch code. No other bitch do it that good. With all the hazards when you fall backwards. Gas you up when you feel like shit. Well, run dry, you need that drip. Gas you up if you need that fix. Need that high, I'ma like that hit. Pat you up every time you slip. Back you up every time you trip. I'ma be there. Be there to gas you up.
I know a girl who's so fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson, now I'm here seeing stars. I could take all of my time just trying to describe her.